Hi, welcome back to Digital Toolcase. This will be a very short video. I just want to show you some of the new updates for SeoWriting AI. This AI writing tool perfect for SEO, and if you want to rank better your site, now finally you also have internal linking in SeoWriting AI. Just to show you the prices, obviously this future internal linking it's only for this professional plan, and this is the price. If you choose the yearly subscription, you have a very good discount, and if you want, I have a special code. You can find it in the description, so you can save more money by using my code. But this is not the only news for SeoWriting AI. Let's go inside and let's go here on this What's New section. I want to start from this optimize your content with internal linking. As you can see, we're excited to introduce our internal linking feature for WordPress, powered by our semantic search. This feature scans all your site's content to find the most relevant pages and automatically inserts links within your new articles. With some interesting advantages, indexes your website better, identifies the most relevant pages, and automatically inserts links in new articles. You also have options to exclude some internal links or articles. You can integrate with other platforms. They are working on integrating with Shopify, for example. The semantic search will soon be used in the knowledge base for even better content management, and they are constantly improving this feature. But as I said, this is not the only update. I can show you even this one. This is the last one, new GPT-4o Mini. This is the latest OpenAI AI model, as you may know, and now you can use it into SeoWriting AI. You also have a new Deep Web News feature and Mimicry feature. I don't know exactly how to pronounce this, but as you can see, now you can choose even this mix between GPT-4o Mini and GPT-4o. But please note, if you watch this model quality indicator here, it's yellow. It's not the best quality, obviously, but it's surely cheaper than other models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This is very good, and GPT-4, for example. Then Deep Web News search. They added a feature for searching news in the deep web. It works well if you need to write about latest events. So if you have, for instance, a news blog or news site, and this is the Mimicry. This prevents spiders and SEOs from detecting the installed SEO writing plugin on your website. So this is a, let's say, privacy or security new option. Obviously, here in the dashboard you can go into the one-click blog post or bulk article generation, and here you can find the new settings. As you can see, you have these GPT-4o Mini and GPT-4o, but again, please note it's yellow. If you search for quality, you need to use one of these AI models. This is the internal linking section. As you can see, you need to add a website, so you need to connect your WordPress site, and by clicking here you can see how this works. In order to use this feature, you need to install the WordPress plugin version 171 or plus on your website and connect it to SeoWriting AI. This is because SeoWriting AI, the cloud version, need to see your site, your articles, so you need to connect it with this plugin. Then you can see how many pages you already have indexed in your site, in your blog. You can select the number of internal links you want to be inserted in the content. Usually 1, 2, 4, I will say it's enough. You also have options for the placement of the internal links at the top evenly and at the bottom. You can choose this option. You can choose link attributes like do follow, for instance. Then when you write your new article, this will link to other articles on your site. Again, very useful to connect better your articles and to rank better. External linking here, and in the connect to web section you have this deep web option, and here you can choose real-time news, again if you like to write news articles or anyway something that needs current news information. So that's it. These are the new features in SeoWriting AI. I already made some videos about it. You can find them on my channel, or you can find the links here in the description. As you can see, the roadmap for SeoWriting AI is always full of new features coming soon. For example, the Zapier integration, include context about the topic, and so on. You have many options in progress, so this will come very soon. Again, these are the pricing plans for SeoWriting AI. You can find my link in the description and my special discount code. I want to show you even the monthly prices. You can start for free with this one, so you can see how it works. You can go to the starter one. It's pretty good. You don't have some advanced options here, or this professional one with external linking, internal linking, and some other features coming soon. And again, if you want, you have the yearly plans with a very good discount, and if you use my code, you will save some money. That's all for this very quick video about the new features of SeoWriting AI. If you enjoyed it, well, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And again, if you want to take a look at my previous SeoWriting AI videos, you can click here, or you can find them in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.